wham bam in your face. I've got to try and make it so it's not gonna look like I've got pink eye. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming on my new camera. I'm in love with it, just in love with it already. In my last video I did say that it was secondhand, and it's literally like it's brand new. There's not a scratch on it. So the guy who I bought it from has taken extremely good care of it. It's practically like I've bought it brand new because the condition is spot on. So in today's video, one of my really good friends requested that I do a pink eyeshadow makeup video. So hopefully it's going to be more of a straightforward, shorter video for you today, where we just focus on doing an eye makeup look for you. Now pinks, they're quite tricky sometimes. Usually when I think of a pink makeup look, I think of something either crazy, wham bam in your face pink, or more subtle, neutral and toned down. So I'm gonna try to do something that's like in between, but we'll see. I've got a little idea in my head. Whether it goes that way or not, that's something else. So I've got 3 palettes that I'll probably switch between. I've got the Conspiracy palette because there are some really pretty pink colours in there. Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I've got the Revolution Pro Regeneration Astrological palette. I've also got some loose glitter. I don't we'll see. I might do something with some loose glitter. Let's go. As you can see, I've done my base makeup already. Eyebrows are done, foundation's done, so all that's left to do is the eyes. So I've just got some still tacky concealer left on my eyelids, so we are ready to go straight in. So I'm going to start off with, let me write down all the shades that I'm going to be using. I can use my phone now. I've got a separate camera. This is amazing. My pills. So I'm going to start with my pills from the Conspiracy palette. And we're just going to take this all over. So it's a really pretty subtle kind of shade. Let's go in then with pigment to deepen it up, make it a bit brighter. Every time I use this palette, I'm just blown away. I've got to try and make it so it's not going to look like I've got pink eye. So I've got to do something that's clearly pink without making it look like I've got a really bad eye infection. So I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with Love Letter from the Anastasia palette. Pigmentation in this is so good as well. And then I'm just blending this in the crease as I go. Just going to take a fluffy blending brush now and just blend over the tops here. So this is where we are at. I'm then going to go in with the Revolution Pro palette and use one of the shimmer shades just up here. Which one though? I'm getting drawn to a shade called Exoplanet, so we'll go in with that. So I'm going to start off with a flat brush and then I shall go in with my finger to enhance it further. So we're really going to pop this on the area that doesn't have an awful lot of eyeshadow. And you're just going to start to blend that in with that deeper pink colour. And then smush it around. Are you going to focus, my friend? There we go. So just on the fingertip there. So that is where we are now. I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. So using my trusty Makeup Revolution Renaissance liner. What on earth have I done? I did not want to take it that far. Oh well. We're having a big win, guys. No! It wasn't dry. I'm trying to scratch it off. Okay, that's still there, but let's pretend that that never happened, okay? Oh, I think I can hear Billy pulling up outside. So you'll hear him coming in a minute. Hello.
Hi. Film a video. Again? Already?
Yeah. Why?
Just wondering how you've managed to trash the house in the short time you've been up.
I've not trashed the house.
It's pretty messy downstairs. Jenny! Yeah. Oh! Sorry, mate.
Poor cat.
I got a stir fry for tea.
Okay.
Your prawns cost more than the whole thing.
Don't swear.
Why?
No. Right, so I'm going to pop some colour underneath. Huh? To stop you making loads of noise.
I'm not making loads of noise.
Yeah, but you will do.
No, I won't.
Why do you want the door open?
There's a Mog in there.
She's alright.
She wants to get out, or Joan wants to get in.
Alright, well try and be quiet then.
I am. Always quiet.
Okay, let's put some colour underneath. So I'll go in with Antique Bronze. And I'm just going to slightly deepen that with Cypress Umber. Alright, so I'm going to go in with some mascara now. I was going to add some glitter, like just in a little half moon line going there. Shall I? Oh yeah, why not? So this glitter is by NYX. I've got the loose glitter and the glitter primer. I'm going to pop a little bit of the primer on the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to, with like a little detailer brush, just paint thin line. Just like above where the crease is. And then with this same brush, I'm just going to tap some glitter into the lid and then try and follow. So that's where we are with the glitter. It's nice. I'll stick some lashes on and then we'll really be able to see. Okay, so here is the finished eye look. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. The pink isn't too in your face and it's not too subtle either that you can't see what I've done for you today. Glitter, it's alright. It looks pretty, but it also looked nice without it as well, I think. So that's up to you if you wanted to put any glitter on with it. So thank you so much for watching as always. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. Take care guys, I will see you next time. Bye!
What are you doing?
Just doing bits to cut. Right.
Weirdo.
Why?
Just pointing at him.
Yeah.
Jeez, that one.
Billy!
That one. And that one. And that one.
Fuck off.